What's going on, Pryo Pack? It's your boy Pryoness bringing you an unboxing video. Today we have Azeron Keypad by Azeron. Been waiting over 60 days for this thing to come. It's been back and forth, but I finally got it, and I'm excited to get right into it. Got a trusty box cutter. I'm just gonna start from the top. Try not to cut myself. God dang. Hopefully it's not an empty box. A lot of packing peanuts. They didn't come in any packaging, they just threw it in the box. So I'll just grab it. So here it is in all its gloriousness. I paid $170 for this. This is after I got my money back. I actually paid a little extra so that I can get it early. But that was supposed to be a few months ago. I had just got it, and they were kind enough to send me my money back. But here it is. What really sets this keypad apart from the others is the fact that it has a thumbstick right here to control all my movement. Oh wow, this thing looks really nice. You can adjust these for your fingers. Wow. See how it fits in the hand. Oh my God. This feels so weird. This is gonna take so much getting used to, wow. But I like it, the thumbstick feels nice. The buttons feel clicky like not any keyboard I've ever used. I don't know what to describe them as, but very clicky. Click it, Dad. What do you think?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
But all right, that was way quicker than I thought. Here it is, Azeron. This came from Latvia, very far away in Europe. But I am excited to start the Fortnite grind. You're the dad of a pro player. How does that feel?
I'm very proud of you, son. Keep it up.
Alright guys, the camera on me. That's all for this unboxing video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.